Assalamu alaikum and good morning KGT. How are you all? Hope you all are doing great. Today we will do a comprehension. So let's start. Here we have a passage. Let's read it and then we have to answer some questions. You know what is a comprehension? Reading the paragraph and answering the questions related to it is called a comprehension. Let's read it.
I have a bird. It is a parrot. It has two eyes. It has two wings. It has one tail. It has two paws. Its color is blue. I love my bird.
Well done. Now let's answer a few questions based on this passage. You just have to answer the question. Listen to the question and you have to answer the question. Question number 1 is, which bird you have?
I have a parrot.
Well done. Question number 2 is, how many eyes bird has?
Bird have two eyes.
Have or has?
Have. Bird has two eyes.
Well done. Bird has two eyes. Question number 3 is, what is the color of the bird?
Bird's color is blue.
Well done. Wow, you have answered all the questions. So you have done a comprehension. What you have done?
Comprehension.
Now you can go ahead and solve the comprehension worksheet. Have a good day.